Follow the leader. How am I not there? In your screen. Why am I so far?
I haven't seen you run yet. And if we go there, we're gonna go down.
Okay.
And going at the second. Okay, before we go down, just pause. It's way too much. Follow me. Okay, you wanna ready?
Yes.
If I said go, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whatever boy.
Uy.
How are you? We're going up.
We're going up with our voices.
Do you hear the song?
Huh?
Here.
I hear it.
It says happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We're going up with our voices.
If this was real life, I'm getting a snack, iPad, charger, everything I need.
I'm getting iPad. I'm getting my whole
Don't pay
iPad.
me. Fight for me. Why is talking? Okay.
Why am I so far? Why am I so far from you? Ooh la la.
Ready, anak? Don't
Yes.
fall.
Ah. Uy, mama. Mama ko.
Again?
Yeah.
Why do you have a date? I know where to go.
There.
Follow me. I'll find the way out.
Uy. Ay, mama, nahulog ako.
There's a mini pool and mini truck.
Ano yan? There.
Here.
Ooh la la.
Bago ng pagbalik na nga, kung makaano ay please. Wala, siguro wala. Baka yun ano niya nilalos yun. E di, ang si BD kasama natin nila pagbalik.
Siri from the way out. Just jump. It's more even faster.
Oo, kung sabihin, at saka kung dadaan ka lang. Paano nga iglesia? papasok na kapatid. Hindi ko ba alam yung PT? Matanda na tayo rin.
Sige mo faster.
Matanda mo ko na tayo rin. Ay, wala.
Well, suddenly wait, I just pressed something. No. Yung press.
Ay, kaya,
Let's go.
kung makita. Ay, basta pumunta na lang si Lucy. Doon na lang pupunta sa service nga. Okay. Doon na nga para pamasama na kung saan baga, ano, kung dadaan pa kung hindi na. Yun. Eh, ano, babulungan pa. Sumam.
This is the way out. This is what I call the way out.
Ulala.
Hindi nga maintindihan kung ipapasok ka sa ano nga, hindi natin alam kung ipapasok ka nga sa simbahan ng iglesia. Parang hindi na yata. Hindi naman na ano si Dayo sa iglesia yata.
No. 8. I'm gonna try.
Oh,
So, paano magkakong Hoy, kahit ka hindi sumama sa iglesia, kung ikaw naman hindi lasap, siguro pinapakatok ng ilusta. Saan? Eh, no. Wala naman kasi natin na pagano iisipin na kung mga ng hindi sagot, sino pa bang may palay ng mga katoliko pa ako? Wala. Yung madadaanan sa papunta ng libingan na may hagda, na mataas. Doon, sa...
finally, we found the way out.
Finally.
Kasama nga,
There's such a straight path.
hindi ang nag-bear mo.
I don't want to go to the thingy. You can follow me on me.
Nagsahin na taga-ngay. Asyat ako na
Okay. So,
Let's go. Let's go here. Let's go here.
I want to stop. I'm leaving you on a banana.
Bye, Mama. Sita.
Wow, this is so deeper.
Let me see.
Are you gonna go?
Yosh. Wait for me.
I cannot even move.
Wait for a boat.
I cannot even go.
Let's wait for a boat.
Okay. You cannot find me.
Uy, saan si Pinky up? Wala na. I have to respawn.
You cannot find me.
I have to respawn. Baka wala na si Ava. Uy, since when were you here? How did you teleport?
Oh no, patay na ako.
Oh no, but...
Miss another one.
Ah!
Oh, shortcut.
Where can't I go? Where can't I go? Come. Maybe we'll trap.
I guess we have to walk on my
Yeah.
again.
Dumating din, ipatay na. Masukal niya siya.
Rain floating. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Look. Look at the sun. Not there. Look at the sun. I'm Jesus. I'm Jesus. Oh no. Oh no.
We don't have money. I just
Wait, we can't go there. We can't go there. There's an invisible wall. Yan.
I know how to go up. I know how to go up.
We all know how to go up.
No. I have to get down.
Lamig. Uy, boat!
Diba?
No. Here. Won't we go here? Should we just respawn and play the game? Won't you sleep?
7.
Ate, won't you sleep? I'm hungry. Are you eating a charger?
How many robots do you have left?
Wala na. Are you eating a charger? Ava?
No.
No!
Just like kind
Should we go here?
Where's somebody? You have to go there again. And you can
Is there an invisible wall? There's no invisible wall. There's no wall.
Let's go in here. Oh, drop!
Uy! Yay! Uy! I got in a boat! I got in a boat!
Oh, can you come with me? Can you come with me? Can you come with me?
Wala, punta ka dito.
I died!
What the freak?
I don't like this anymore.
Really?
Wait for it. Daddy, sabi mo ayos na ang bed. Sabi mo ayos ang bed. How do I like it? Oh my God,
jump.
Ali, that's you.
Bilisan mo na.
Look behind you. Yuck. Excuse me, boat. Excuse me, boat. Taro, look. Ipod. What? Ipod. Saan nga to?
Did you reset?
No.
Or maybe you just reset.
I jump.
Jump, shut up, and dance with me.
Traffic be like. Uy.
There are so many faces.
Whee!